Hey guys, if you clicked on this video, it's because you're interested in learning more about the Community tab. YouTube abides by a lot of rules and regulations. They offer great features to help your channel succeed. One of those great features is the Community tab. To find out if you have the Community tab, go to your channel and look below the channel art. If you have it, you will see it in place of the Discussion tab. Let's begin. Go to your channel. Look at the upper right-hand corner. You see that bar all the way at the top? You're going to go to the Community tab. So click on that Community tab. Okay, so to create a post, you could do one of these three things. If you wanted to create a poll, you can go ahead and click the poll button, but we're not going to do a poll today. So we're going to discard that. We're going to go back in and we're going to find a picture that we want. Once we find a picture in our photo album, we choose it, we upload it, and once it uploads, we can decide if we want to keep it this way or we can reposition it. Now, if we reposition it, we just go in and we can move it up and down. And if that is the way that you would like the picture, then you would go in, you would preview it, and if you didn't like it, you could go back, reposition it, then save it, and once you save it, there you have it. You can go and post it. And once you start posting, you can now keep all your subscribers in the loop. Now, remember how we talked about before about adding an existing YouTube video. You can also add an existing YouTube video if you type in the URL to that video. Okay, so once you post on the community board, it is now public. But no worries, if by some chance you need to edit or delete, to the right of that post are 3 vertical dots. That would be your edit and delete option. Earlier I discussed that YouTube offers this great community tab feature, right? Well, to enable this feature, you must have 1,000 subscribers. Yes. You gotta have 1,000 subscribers to have access to the community board. Well, please don't send me hate comments. I don't make the rules, I just abide by them. I hope this helps the subscriber that asked me to make this video and to anyone else that needs it. Hey, until the next video, remember to fly. First, love yourself and everything else will fall into place. Thanks for watching.